There's something about catalytic converters that's both profoundly boring and weirdly interesting. You never think about them until your car starts sounding like a monster truck and the repair bill makes you want to cry. It's basically the appendix of the engine world. So, what's the deal with this catalytic converter URL thing showing up in car forums and Google searches? Turns out when people say catalytic converter URL, they're usually looking for a link with info about how to figure out if theirs is toast, or sadly, how thieves target them. Pain point number one: you go to start your car and, shocker, it sounds like a Harley-Davidson because someone decided to crawl under your vehicle and slice out that $800 chunk of rare metals. Portland, where I live, is basically a hot spot for this kind of thing. If you want a step-by-step to avoid this pain, step 1, look up your car's make and model, paired with catalytic converter theft protection in that browser bar. The top URLs are usually full of community fixes, lock kits, and some surprisingly ingenious homebrew shields. Knowing exactly what your catalytic converter looks like and where it sits under your car is legit step 2. Most cars keep it tucked into the exhaust line, just a couple feet back from the front end. You can find that image in about 3 seconds with any reputable auto site URL. Step 3. If you're worried yours is already on the black market, grab your phone, go outside, and check under your car right now for a sudden gap in the pipe or some hasty cuts. Pro tip: take a picture now for before evidence. What gets measured keeps people honest. Every year, over 150,000 catalytic converters are stolen in the U.S. It's so common that your insurance actually keeps a checkbox for catalytic converter theft. If you find the right URL, you'll see entire Reddit threads dedicated to this pain, complete with blurry midnight security footage. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are impact value steps you can take. Step 4. Bolt on an anti-theft shield. Costs about $150, less than 20% of the average repair bill. YouTube has thousands of install guides that are basically IKEA for car parts. You want the real pro move? Engrave your vehicle's VIN number professionally onto your catalytic converter and register it at a city-run URL. This makes it an absolute headache for scrapyards to resell, and cops love it for tracing stolen parts. A quick tip for buying a used car: always cross-reference the car's VIN at a free catalytic converter registry site. About 5% of used sales in urban areas have fishy exhaust welds. Saves you massive drama down the line. There's also a weird side hustle online where people use the catalytic converter URL to price flip precious metals like platinum and rhodium. If your converter gets swiped, bookmark the top recycling sites so you have hard proof for the police report or insurance. It all comes down to simple steps. Find the right URL, check out the images of your converter, secure it, register it, and stay aware of your car's underbelly situation. One afternoon of research beats weeks chasing down insurance claims or shopping for a new ride.